At 13, school was a dream, but survival was real. He worked 18 hours a day, just washing dishes. Every break, he'd sneak a glance at the chefs, learning, watching, practicing alone, fueled by a quiet fire. With no money, he traveled across the world to learn a craft. He slept on floors, worked for free, but never stopped. Years of hard work led to this moment. With one bold move, a sprinkle of style, the world began to notice. From washing dishes to owning the room, he didn't just cook, he created a legacy. This is how greatness is served.